Namaskar. Welcome to Ancient Wisdom. The last video on the connection between air conditioner, high bill and ceiling fan, there were number of questions from the audience asking for explanation. Obviously, many people do this. They keep the air conditioner on along with the ceiling fan in the room. Now, the explanation follows. See, let us look at the air conditioner. It has got an inbuilt fan which provides not very fast but a draft that takes the air to almost the middle of the room. And this air conditioner basically has temperature controls. So we control the temperature to say 22 degrees, 24 degrees or 25 degrees. But to get the temperature at say 22 degrees, the air conditioner has to run at 18 degrees. Or for that matter, if the minimum temperature given on the air conditioner is 17 degrees, then that air conditioner will have to throw out air at about 13 to 15 degrees centigrade so that the room can be cooled to 17 degrees. It is quite simple. Now this heat is transmitted into room by three methods. One is conduction, second is convection, and third is turbulence or the flow of air which is coming from the fan. Which is inbuilt. And when the temperature in the room reaches say 24 degrees, whichever has been set, the air conditioner itself stops operating. Only the inbuilt fan keeps working, throwing air into the room, and the temperature in the room starts rising. When the temperature rises beyond 25 degrees, the air conditioner starts again and takes it to below 24 degrees. That is the mechanism. So you might be using the air conditioner for 8 hours, but out of those 8 hours, depending on the temperature outside, temperature inside, number of people inside, maybe the compressor, the heart of the air conditioner, works for 2 or 3 hours or even less, and it is only the fan which takes very fraction of the energy that works. This is how the electric bill is controlled or electricity is controlled. But if you keep the fan in the room on all the time, that fan provides additional turbulence, and because of this additional turbulence, you are cooled, the people are cooled, but in addition to that, this air is pushed to the sides of the room, to the walls, to the books, to the cupboard, to the curtains, to the furniture, everywhere else. And that is why the temperature does not reach below 24 degrees. The air conditioner remains on all the time till the whole room is saturated. Every single point in the room goes down to 24 degrees. Only then the air conditioner would stop. So in this case, if you are using the air conditioner for 8 hours, the air conditioner compressor itself is working for at least between 4 to 5 hours, which is 100 to 150% more than what it was designed for. And that is where your additional electricity bill comes in. That's why using a fan, ceiling fan, along with an air conditioner is counterproductive. We think we are saving money, but actually we are expending money. The temperature that should have reached 24 degrees maybe 1 hour ago barely reaches it now. And not only that, after it reaches 24 degrees and the thermostat stops the compressor from working, the ceiling fan is still on. It is still energy. So it is still dissipating energy. That means the temperature in the room rises faster because of the turbulence, additional turbulence provided. And the air conditioner compressor has to start with lesser duration. So this is the double whammy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask even now. Thank you.